To get started with the Wi-Fi feature, first connect your dashcam to a power source. Once you're up and running in video mode, you can quickly enter the Wi-Fi Connect mode by holding a button on the front of the camera. Check out the video to see which button to hold for your respective Rexing dashcam. Once Wi-Fi is enabled on the camera, the Wi-Fi name, which is known as the SSID, and the password will be displayed on the screen. To connect to the camera with your mobile device, go to your Wi-Fi settings and locate the dashcam Wi-Fi. For your first time connecting, you'll be prompted to enter a password. To verify that you are connected to the dashcam should now display a Wi-Fi connected message on screen. Now you'll want to open the Rexing Connect app. Once you launch the app, you'll be greeted with a button to connect. Hit this button to connect to your dashcam. Once connected, a live preview of the dashcam will appear along with several functions which allow you to control the dashcam, access and change settings, as well as view and save any media stored on the dashcam's memory card. To access your videos and photos captured by your dashcam, use the buttons along the bottom to access the dashcam storage. The video library will have two tabs, one which features unlocked videos and the other which features locked videos. To transfer a clip to your device over Wi-Fi, press down and hold onto a clip until a check mark appears in the top right corner of the clip. From there, use the download button on the bottom left of the screen to save the video. The clips will be saved to your device storage, such as your camera roll. To disconnect from the dashcam, return to the main control screen. Then hit the back button to back out to the Connect screen. To exit the Wi-Fi Connect mode on the dashcam, you can hold the same button you used from before. Once you've returned to the video mode, hold the power button to shut down the dashcam.